So welcome back to Rod Doing Stuff. We're out at the St. Anthony Sand Dunes today, and we're going to cook some cross rib roasts. We're going to season them with some of this Alpine Touch all-purpose seasoning. It just has salt, pepper, and garlic in it. And then we're also going to top that off with some of this Kinder's brown sugar barbecue seasoning. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we got to get the lard off these. So we're just going to trim these up, get the fat off them, and then we'll come back and show you how we season them. Okay, so we got all the fat trimmed off these. So we're going to just put on first some of our Alpine Touch all-purpose seasoning. You can use any all-purpose seasoning you want. Just puts a little salt, pepper, and garlic on there. Give us some layers of flavor. Just like so. Then we'll come back with this, our Kinder's brown sugar rub. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, and we're going to season these other two up just the same. Then we'll take them over to the old Pursuit Camp Chef over there and put them on there. We're going to smoke these at about probably 225 to 300 degrees, somewhere in there, till they get to about 135. It'll be about a medium rare. We're going to go to that, and we'll take you along when we get over there. Alright, so we're going to put these on the smoker. We've got this Camp Chef Pursuit we're trying out today out here camping. So we're going to put these at 350. We're going to put them on the old grill here. We're going to cook these, well, people like them at different doneness, so we'll probably cook them at one at 130, 135, and then one a little more well done for those who like it more well done. Stick those probes right in the middle. We're just going to let the smoke roll on this thing until they get to the temperature we want it at. Alright, so these have been on here about 20 minutes, so we're going to get them flipped over. We're going to pull our temperature probes out. Give them a flip here. We'll put our probes back in them, right in the middle. Alright, we're going to close this up and let it go till we get to our 130, 135. It'll be good to eat. He's gone. Alright, so these things are at 135 degrees. So actually what we're going to do, a little warmer. We're going to pull two of these off at 135. And let the other one go to about 145, because then it'll be medium. Pull these off. We're going to wrap them up. Let them rest. We're going to let this one go to about 145, and it'll be good to go.
Josh, how do you think those are going to taste?
The well done clam. Alright, so we got her at 140 on this last one. There's Troy. We actually stole this grill from him. There's Camp Chef Pursuit. Seems to have worked pretty good. She's done the job. I'll let you know how she tastes here in a bit, after we let these rest. Alright, we're going to let them rest, and then we'll come back and slice them up. We'll have a taste test. Alright, so we've had our 20 minutes of resting here. We're going to slice this thing up. Let these guys try her out. See if she's any good. Should have sliced it
take a
Everybody
piece.
try it out
Hey,
once.
try her out.
See that piece? Let's see how good it is.
You don't get in, Josh.
Cameraman's pay. Pretty good.
There's the thumbs up. Brett says it's good. It is really good.
That's one big thumbs up from Brett.
That's some good meat.
So we're gonna slice this up and eat it. You like what you see, give us a thumbs up.